이 통깨 shit. 어서 써. 저리 봐.
The first bowl, man.
Oh shit. Back to the store. I pick up some egg and some nice powder for the fish. This video is brought to you by Minnesota Puppy Pet Family. Life is better with a puppy. And by Juhani. Jinda Chomoto Share. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Hi there everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna cook or deep fry some fried smelt. Fresh smelt from Duluth, Minnesota. Just got it this morning. Fresh catch. Yep. Beautiful little fish from Minnesota. This is why I usually fry my fish. Just use this or any powder, any flour you want to use, but I love using these. It's already salty and everything is good, so you not need to add any salt, anything in there. And you need some egg, any kind of egg you want, as long as chicken egg. And pretty much some people that like to cut the head or gut it, but you want to eat the egg, but the male, we're probably gonna do that to it. This just keep me get going. Cheers. So let's get cooking. Hey YouTuber, all you have to do is just grab a pair of scissors, cut the head. They probably have sand in the gill here too. A lot of time people just deep fry these, but these are the male. So I'm gonna cut here. You can see what is squeaking out of here. Yep, only a lot of male running, not much female. Take my tongue, get that goody good piece of black blood, whatever you can call that, out. Swipe it out, and then you can just wash it in a bit. Nice piece of beautiful Minnesota Duluth smelt. I just cut this one. This is pretty big compared to the two that I got it. But this is a beautiful female. You can see the egg is popping out. Yep, you want to eat the egg. You want to make sure that you don't cut the head off, because you cut the head, you deep fry, all the egg is gonna be gone and disappear. Yep. Beautiful big female. Still got a bunch of here that I still need to clean. If you want to eat the egg and you not want to waste it, and you don't know which is the male and female, they kind of look the same. You just grab for the back here, like a salmon, squeeze it, egg pop out. You know that this is female. You grab another one, push it down. Yep, that's another female. You can see a little bit egg popping out. This might be a female too. Yep, female. That is the male right there. See the white stuff coming out? So you want to cut the hair. But it's up to you guys. You guys want to do it to the female too, if you guys don't like the egg, but I'm an egg guy, so I love eating the egg. Wipe it clean. What else? You can wash it. Take that finger. Nice, beautiful smelt. Yep. Do something this one. I believe this big one is gonna be a female. Oh, he's a male. Yep. A lot of time you cannot really tell is a male or a female. So you squeeze the belly. There we go. Yep. On the waist. Throw all these away. Nice and clean. Got a towel and kind of clean it off, and you should be good to go. Deep fry big, beautiful smelt from Duluth. Wanted to put your powder. Just enough to fry the smelt. Some people will use only the yolk, but for me, I like to use the whole egg. It depends how many smelt are you frying, but this is a lot, so I'm gonna use 4 eggs. Make sure you wanna mix the egg good, and it's all yellow, then you should be good to go. Let's start the frying, and brand new, this for you guys. It don't matter use the new or the old, but this is for smelt fry only. I'm gonna put your beautiful oil in. Don't need to put a lot or don't put too little. You wanna make sure it's just perfectly for the smelt to go in. You wanna make sure the smelt go in, nice bath, so it be all the way cooked. Yo, I think the oil is hot enough. Let's try the one that I cut up the head first. So I'm gonna put it in here. Put a couple. Nice bath. Lift it up. Over here. Put some powder in. Make sure he's in and out. Look how beautiful this is. Do another one. It's gonna be extra crispy and good. I'm gonna shake it off. Drop it in there. Oh, the oil is not that hot, but still okay. It's frying. Yep. Complete this process back and forth again. That's all you gotta do. Make sure you have to get the belly. Get over it. All right. I'm gonna shake it off. Yep, the oil is getting hotter and hotter, and drop it in there. Ooh-wee. Let's try this first. Don't want to put it too much anyway, too. Super nice chair. Cannot wait to taste it. The first smelt of the year. Want to make sure that you fry it to yellow gold. Just like this. Look at this, baby. Woohoo! This is the best way to cook them. Look at the white meat. Woohoo! Beautiful white meat. Look at that. Look how different it is. This to this. Beautiful fish. Good. If you want that extra crispy, you gotta put it first in the little powder. Grab your fishy. And put it here. Here. Then you grab this. I like to put a lot of fish before I do this, but just showing you guys. Yep. Oops. Boom. Let's check on these little baby over here. Oh, smoky, bubbly, yummy, yum. That's what you want it to look like. Yep, that's what you want it to be. Look at that. Now it's not buttery no more, a bubble no more in here. Grab it. It's not sticking to each other. Should be good. Yep. Check this out. See the different? Still look the same, but what the heck? Beautiful. When there's bubble up like this, you don't want to stir the smelt or play with it because it's all going to fall apart. Gotta be really gentle Wait until all this bubble disappear. Then the smelt was good to turn or flip or like stoop around. What you do right now is all gonna fall apart. It's not gonna look good. Yo, these smelt are done. Beautiful fish. And the best way to eat it, people eating with pepper, rice, or just not put enough powder like this into it and eat it. But for me, or for my guy, we love it to dip it in wrench. Wrench, number one to go with the smelt. So let's try it. Oh, look at that baby right here. Mmm, super crunchy. You show this to somebody, picture, they might think it's fried chicken, but smelt. The bone is, can't even taste the bone. The tail too. Mmm, so really good. With the head, people, they will eat the head because sometimes you clean it, there's no sand right here in the gill. But let's try it. The head. Gotta clean good to not taste the sand. Mmm. Super, super good. This one here, I put a little bit, I think a little bit more of the egg in there, so look more like a piece of chicken, fried chicken or a chicken nugget. Mmm. That's what's up right here, man. Cheers. Let's see this one with the egg. There's a lot of male, not much female yet. Let me dig into it. Yeah, a lot of male. Not much female, you know. So it's still running. You gotta go. You go ahead, man. Yep. Can't find some egg in here. I'll probably cut all the female right here. Let's see. Oh, see, a lot of male. See this one? Still a male. Look at that. Pull this out. You don't like it, but for me, I eat it anyway. There we go. That was up right here. Look at that. Look at the egg. See the egg? People take the bone out. Take the bone out where you can eat it. Give it a wrench. Mmm. Probably gonna eat all this by myself. Mm. Mm. The egg is popping out. That's what we want. A little bit of the female, but still running. Go dilute, go for it, man. Female, look at the egg, check it out. It's the egg. It's a lot of times we're gonna cut off the head, clean the gut, because if we do that, we're not gonna get to eat the egg. Put a lot of wrench in here. Mmm. Mmm. Grab this and put extra rent into it. I'm out of wrench. But look at that. It's like gold.
My precious.
You gotta go and get something to do this kind of style of eating. Or cook it like, don't do it like me, but just cook it and Mmm. That baby. It's different. I'm the baby. Nice beautiful day. Don't want to waste anything. This is a new wrench. And you want to be really gentle when you put it on. Like, oh shit, son. Ah. It's worth the trip, but super tired doing it. You have some good crew, good team. Got a good team to help you out. Everything go easy and smooth. And you get to enjoy this piece of gold smelt from Minnesota. You know it's good when you have to lift your whole paw. Feels like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more video. So this video or this channel will stay with you guys for a long time. Peace out. Share. You gotta catch it. You gotta catch it. Catch. Ah!